So what's going on, programmers? Happy New Year, and this is Code with Vic. Now, for those of you that are viewing this video for the first time, Code with Vic is actually a programming channel that talks about Python programming, C# programming, general problems faced by beginner programmers, and you can see generally about programming. Okay. Now, in the past or previous months, I've not been posting videos as frequently, and I'm sincerely sorry about that for new programmers and our new members. I can see a lot of comments, and I'll try my best to answer all the comments by creating specific videos to solve issues in the previous comments. Okay. Now, I've been a little bit busy in the previous months, so I've been taking up on 3 jobs, unable to create content as frequently as before, but I'm going to get back into creating videos as frequently as I've just said. So in this week, you should be expecting a few videos from Code with Vic. Now, I'm going to talk about our agenda for this year. That is for Code with Vic. Our agenda for this year is we are going to be creating a lot of Python videos for this year. That is including web development using Python. We are going to talk about should I say AI. So we're going to be doing a little bit of stuff with the AI. We're going to be creating a lot of videos on GUI development with Python. That is creation of graphical user interfaces with Python. We might dive into a little bit of gaming and database management with Python, and maybe build a few complex applications using the Python programming language. Now, in this year also, we're going to be creating or starting out on C# programming on our PCs. Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of C# programming, maybe get our hands on C# programming, get a little into the web development, because that's definitely what I use C# for, and that is basically what we're going to be treating this year. Okay, so that's going to be the general niches we're going to be covering. That's basically what we're going to be doing for this year. Now, for those of you that are newly subscribed, thank you for staying subscribed, because I've not been really active, and I see a lot of subscribers rolling in, and that is amazing. I think we're about at 90 subscribers at the moment, and that is really mind-blowing. Okay, so I'm going to create videos. I'm going to keep creating videos, and I'll make sure these videos actually create value for you guys. So that is basically what we're going to be doing this year, and that is a channel update. Now, if you're interested in any of these niches, feel free to subscribe, check out my previous videos, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.